Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to process a manual card payment using the Slimrate terminal on your tablet. First, make sure your payment terminal is connected to the tablet. Next, ring up all the necessary items in the Slimrate POS and tap the Pay button. In the payment menu, select Card as your payment method. Skip the tip screen if tips aren't needed. Now, look at your payment terminal. You'll see the message, "Please enter card number." Tap on the field to enter the card number. A keypad will appear at the bottom, just like on a regular phone. Use this keypad to enter the card number, then tap Confirm. Next, the terminal will ask for the remaining required card details, including the expiration date, month and year, CVC2, the 3-digit security code, the customer's address, and zip code. Enter this information and tap Confirm again. If all the data is entered correctly, the payment will go through successfully. You'll see the confirmation on your tablet screen. That's it! Now you know how to process a manual card payment using the Slimrate terminal. Thank you for watching.